learn how to delete auto-created temp files in temp folder. I'm going to create a batch file. So for that I'm opening the notepad. Here I'm typing the commands for deleting temp folders and files. So I'm going to save as this file. I'm selecting desktop. I'm going to give the name as clear temp.bat bat file. Save. It's saved on desktop, we can see. So I'm going to open temp file folder location, %temp %, hit enter. The file location opened from C drive. Here total files 330, files and folders altogether 330. So I'm going to run a batch file. So it's deleting. So deleted. Total 8 files it shows to be deleted, but these files are running in backend. At this time we can't delete. So it's working. So same file we can run in auto mode while restarting the computer or switch on the computer. The file run automatically and delete all the files from temp. So that folder location I'm going to show you. So for that I'm searching for start menu folder. Here I found startup. Here we can paste that clear temp.bat file. Copy and paste. So I'm going to close this. So after restarting the computer or switch on the computer, the file run automatically and it clears all the temp. In the same manner we can delete Priftech folder temps also. For that already I written the script on the screen. So by using I'm going to delete a temp, Priftech and other temp files. So I'm going to save as this file as a bat file on desktop. Save. So it's saved on desktop. I will show you that Priftech folder where it is on C drive. So I'm going to open the C drive. In that C drive we will find a Windows folder at the bottom of the screen. So in that we can find a Priftech folder. So I'm going to open that. So I open. Here are files and folders altogether 131 as I selected. So I'm going to run a Priftech batch file. It's a deleted all. So totally 3 files where we can see on the screen. So this file deleted all temp files. So this file now I am going to use in auto mode. So for this I copied the file and I paste it into startup folder. So in the C drive start menu, programs. Here I found startup. Here paste it. So after restarting or when I start the computer, it deleted all the files and folders automatically.